Frustrations with irregular shipping service has the business community call a meeting to strategize a plan for a better service to the island. Most businesses viewed their frustration in an open forum, calling for government to review its agreement with the Reef Shipping Group. A meeting has also been called for next week. Some of the views called for the private sector to form a collective of importers and find another shipping partner, looking at finding another shipping company to service either through Tonga or Samoa from Fiji. Because there is no government subsidy for shipping, the private sector should actively source another route and service. Even on the support wagon of the business sector are the CSO, NGOs calling on an urgent action for the sake of all citizens and businesses. The reef shipping service has been delayed again, expecting to arrive on the island on the 20th of May. And those are our news stories for this evening. We do hope you'll be able to join us again in our next news bulletin. And just a reminder, don't forget to go and check out the Makefu Show Day on Saturday. And we will also be leaving you tonight with some coverage of the Queen's Baton Relay, but full coverage of the Queen's Baton Relay around the island will be broadcasted on TV Niue on Sunday. Pinani hatutulad da vala tal tutupagalata e moe afiafine amunakini ke mafalam tula o ke fahatap ni hanga wat kiai wani mo ke watu ke langwata ya moe fafia te ke he tau falwanga a fatata he manga ku makefu ke hafa yumu amunaki fuki ke frosi hatutulad da vala tal me fala doata ni ko pokiai ke to feua poi relay pa he ba toni e patu ki fifini ke hone ka koe ka toa he to falwanga ia to whakatoka tuai ke he TV niwe ke he awhi a hotapu. Kia no wha amto, unini pō, atuli li wata tōru ke Whilewea.